Greetings, my friends. This is Gilles Mansillon. I thought I'd come and wish you a wonderful day. I'm going to discuss a few ideas. It's just my ideas, the model of reality I have chosen to live by because I've been educated and guided towards that. But everybody is different, and some people will have very different models of reality. For what I want to talk about today is to enter into this unity consciousness for those who are choosing to ascend into the realm of light and the fifth dimension, for it is already available. It's about finding the love and the joy in the moment of now. Not everybody is ready for that because there's still some things we need to go through in the lower realm, but in truth, all is one and one is all. You are it, you here and now. For the one serves the other, and the other serves the one. It is a constant balance of energy between your higher self and your lower self, and they're integrating. For it's like I receive a lot of messages that people are trying to convince me that we live on a flat earth, and it's like we can agree to disagree. It's fine if that's model you is good. Some people will adopt that model for a while. But as far as my experience and my knowledge tells me that all the planets in the universe are spherical, and they all, most of them are inhabited by some kind of life form of spirit, and they're usually hollow, and there is a more advanced civilization within the Earth, just as the boreal. The light that comes from the North Pole is going to slowly englobe the whole planet. It is the light of Agartha, of Lemuria, that will eventually will meet the Agarthan, the beings from the inner planes. For and also another thing that I come to realize is that the more stars there are, is the more civilization there are. For us, we have only one star, so life is more difficult. But there are systems where there are 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, and there is like flourishing. Much easier to evolve life when there is multiple star systems. Eventually, our own star sun system will be integrated in the Sirius star systems. I see a lot of news that coming through channel that are fake news. They're like mixing truth with fake. So just be very discerning. For some reason, I see that. But to move into this fifth dimension, we have to everything is acceptable, and we go through the process we need to go through, but to let go of much of the intellectual speculation, because intellectual speculation is much better, well, much better when you if you we have an idea that we're really holding on to an idea, a belief or something, the spirit has to wait for introducing something else. But when our mind is free and clear and open and silent, then the truth can reveal itself. So, but right now we still have to pass through, depending on who we are, what work we've been doing. But there's still some traumas from the past and from past life, because we've decided to free ourselves from all process of limited consciousness, and so all the traumas and all the negative energies can come up for release, and it's like the soul, our soul knows that we can handle it. But whenever you feel a trauma and a feeling of pain, of suffering, of abandonment, of doubts, all of that is just energies to be released. So allow yourself to feel that and ask to be released. You have guides that can always there. They love you, and you can also call Mother Earth. She's the great being. The planets are intelligent, living beings that are supporting, loving all that they carry. And right now, there's a major cleansing on the Earth. She's like there's the pain of birth, as right now we're rebirthing a new reality. Just as the stars are the great teachers of light. The stars in the heavens are just the wonderful teachers. The sun is the guardian of the collective soul. We need to reunite our soul and nature, and but do not let the challenges that whatever goes through, or you have to feel and or pass through the adversity or whatever, to distract you from or even the moments of doubt, to distract you from the fact that you are an eternal being beloved by the creator, distract you from your purpose and your goals. All of that is like just some things that needs to be transmuted. Understanding also that we're far more active during our sleep time than during the awakened state. That provides a lot of challenges. During the sleep times, we don't have the critical minds. We have no fear and no doubt. So we're very active on the upper plane for the transmutation. So we are the sum of all that, but we do not know who we are in the fullness of who we are. So just do not judge yourself. Just accept the card of the day is a new life. I know it's trust in this new life. There is a new life that is coming, and so continue to trust in the process. Also understanding that many souls are leaving the planet, they're ending the incarnations, but they will not go into the astral planes for reincarnation. They're going into the etheric plane to complete their ascension and to assist the planet from up there. So once if you lose somebody that you love, you know that after a few days, or even or whenever the pain of the separation has happened, then you can start to communicate and know the people that you loved here that are no longer part are still looking after you. They're still up there, but they're light beings now. Their consciousness has evolved. And so I hope this message was interesting for you. I just wanted to say that it will be according to our faith. It's like to move into the love and the unity and the joy and preparing ourselves for whatever our soul and spirit has been guiding us, and connect to your guides, connect to the spirits in the heavens, and know that we're already there. We already have a presence up there, and every night when we go to sleep, we higher self, we return to our higher self, and we do so much. Sometimes we wake up tired because we've been very busy up there. So I thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. I thank you for your presence. I thank you for your donations. If you want a private session, you can send me an email. I'm going to finish with a song. It was an internal song, but it's from a band named The Fifth Dimension. And it was just announcing something that was coming. It's called The Age of Aquarius. Remind us to let the sun shine in. It goes like this. When the moon is in the seventh house and Jupiter aligns with Mars, then peace will guide the planets and love will steer the stars. This is the dawning of the age of Aquarius. Age of Aquarius, 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 harmony and understanding, sympathy and trust abounding, no more falsehoods or derision, golden living, dreams of vision, mystic crystal revelation, and the mind's true liberation. Aquarius, Aquarius, when the moon is in the seventh house and Jupiter aligns with Mars, then peace will guide the planets and love will steer the stars. This is the dawning of the age of Aquarius. Age of Aquarius, Aquarius. Let the sun shine, let the sun shine in, the sun shine in. Let the sun shine, let the sun shine in, the sun shine in. Let the sun shine, let the sun shine in, the sun shine in. Let the sun shine in, for where we are at the dawn of the age of Aquarius. The planets are very intelligent. They all have their influence. We call astrology. They have the great impact in their communication, in all they're doing. They do everything is about evolution. Everything was created for evolution, and everything is part of our higher self, and on some level. So we have to separate ourselves from all of the dualistic process of the matrix. You can still observe it. Personally, I do not have time to watch all those news, and even sometimes there's things that come into my consciousness. I say, oh, that's good, that's coming up. For the highest, the observer is intuition, to continue to cultivate this sense of intuition, to believe in your guidance. The highest wisdom is overcoming adversity, to seeing love and light, to never forget the love and the light while going through whatever level of adversity, and to ask for release. For our soul and spirit know that we want to be free, and so they may be challenging times, but it doesn't have to be. What we need to understand is reconciliation with your heart, with your soul, with your love, with the love, with God, with your source, with your real self. What we need to do is listen to the voice of the heart, to listen to the mirror of life, to be to move into the settled plane, to hear like beyond the words what's been communicated, and the outcome will be justice, divine justice. Be ready to see divine justice in action. When you call on the higher forces, when you're united with the higher forces, you're going to see divine justice in action. It is always happening. And but more and more as we grow and evolve, we'll be able to participate on whatever level, just be benevolent. Um, Better not to harbor any negative feeling in relationship to anyone. No, it's only education that God provides for the evolution of all His children, and know that all the dark souls are going to be soon. Many have been arrested in truth, but they are clones that are still running the program. But the clones do not have the same power the soul had. So it's like their power is completely exhausted, and although there's still some plays are in place on the just for the complete awakening that is very very close. And so just be in your light, be and then you will see, you will know that things have changed. Thank you very much. Wish you a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Salat.